Hello friends, welcome to Raj Solution. Today our topic is stored ledger account. Before going to discussion, I want to say subscribe our channel and press the bell button to all for never miss another update, and also like and share with your friends. So friends, today main topic is stored ledger account. So at first we have to understand what is stored ledger account. So basically stored ledger account is a manual or computerized record of raw materials and production supplies, and which is maintained by the storekeeper as well as warehouse manager. So stored ledger account basically maintained by warehouse manager or storekeeper. So friends, this stored ledger account we can solve stored ledger account basically are in four types. So stored ledger account, SLA, stored ledger account, we can solve it in four types or four process. That is, first one is FIFO method. FIFO, that means first in first out. And second one is LIFO, LIFO, that means last in first out. Third one is simple average method. And last one is weighted average method. So these are the four types of solving stored ledger account. First one is FIFO, that is first in first out. Second one is LIFO, that is last in first out. Third one is simple average method, and fourth one is weighted average method. So friends, for solving first types of simple stored ledger account, that is FIFO, we have collected a question of stored ledger account. So at first we have to understand the question. So in question, from the following particulars for the month of March 2019, find out the cost of inventory on 31st March. That means we have to make the stored ledger account in 31st March 2019 under FIFO method. That means first in first out. So friends, at first we have to understand what is first FIFO. That means first in first out. So that means in the store, during issuing of some products or raw materials, our previous, that means first which amount of material was present in my store, that will be issued at first, and then the next. This is the method of FIFO. Suppose in previously we have the amount of 400 units, and next I have purchased some amount that is 500 units. So now my store strength is 900 units. But when I am going to issue some products from our store, suppose I have to issue some product of amount 350 units, then I have to issue from the previous amount, that means previous lot of product, that means 400. So from 400 we have to issue 350 unit, not from the 500. So that means 400 is the first in our store. That's why this will be the first out. So this is the general concept. So for solving FIFO, we have a particular format. Now I will go to the format. So friends, this is the format of solving FIFO, and as well as same format is applicable for another three process also. So in the heading calculation of stored ledger account, under FIFO method, that will be mentioned. On 31st March, it is given in question 2019. And the format will be in this size. First is date, second is receipt, third is issue, fourth is balance, and each of three parts, that means receipt, issue and balance, will be subdivided by another three parts. That will be first one is quantity, second one is rate, and third one is amount. Same as well. Quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. So, according to our question, first is in the March of first March. That means in the first March, our entry is opening inventory. That means 1st March. So I have to mention the date 1st March 2019. What is opening inventory? So opening inventory, that means this part is the closing inventory of the previous month. That means February. So that is our opening inventory of March. So opening inventory amount will be go to the balance column. So that is the amount 400 unit, that is quantity, and per kg rate is 100. That means total amount will be 40,000. Next entry is in the date of 4th March. That is 4/3/2019. Entry is purchase of material. Purchase of material, that means I have purchased some material, amount of 2000 unit, and per kg rate is 140. So purchase part will be mentioned in the receipt part, receipt column. That is amount of 2000 unit. So in the column of quantity, that is 2000. Per kg rate is 140. That means in the column of rate is 140. So total value will be 2,80,000. So our previous amount was 400 unit, per kg rate is 100, total amount of 40,000. And now I have purchased another 2000 unit, that is the per kg rate of 140 unit. So now our store size is previously 400, that is the rate of 100, total amount of 40,000, and new inventory, that means new I have purchased the amount, that is 2000 unit, rate of 140, total amount 2,80,000. In the next date, I have issued of material. Next date, I have issued some material, amount of 1,600 unit, and the date is 8th March. That is 8th March 2019. Issued material is 1,600. So issued part will go to the issued column, that is second column. So amount is 1,600. So 1,600. So friends, there is the problem. 1,600 I have to issue, and in our stock previously, that is the opening stock, that is 400 unit, and newly I have purchased another 2000 unit. So this is the process is FIFO, that means first in first out. So I have to issue first in amount at first. That means I have to issue first lot. First lot, that means in our stock this is the first lot and this is the second lot. So first lot will go to the issue in first. That means 400 unit is issue first, that is 400, and the per kg rate is 100, total amount 40,000. Rest of the part, that means 1600, 400 already I have issued, so rest of the part is 1200. So 1200 will be issued from the second lot, and second lot price is 140 per kg. So 140, the total amount will be 1,68,000. So after issuing the 1600 unit, our balance is another 800, and the per kg rate is 140. Total amount is 1,12,000. So friends, our next entry is purchase of material. So this is the another purchase of some material, amount of 1000 unit, and per kg rate is 160. In the date of 15th March, that is 15th March 15/3/2019, I have purchased another 1000 unit. So in the column of quantity, that will be 1000. Per kg rate is 160. So amount will be 1,60,000. So in our stock, previously present 800 unit, amount of per kg rate 140, total unit, total amount 1,12,000, and newly I have purchased another 1000 unit, that is per kg rate of 160, total amount 1,60,000. Next entry, friends, issue of material in the date of 24th March 200 unit. So 24th March 200 unit I have issued. That means this 200 will be issued from the first lot. So in my present stock, this is the first lot and this is the second lot. So according to FIFO, always issued amount will go from the first lot, that is first in. So first out will be from the first lot. So amount is 200. So in the column of issue, quantity will be 200 and the amount will be the first lot amount, that is per kg amount, that is 140. So 140. So 140. So total amount will be 28,000. So my present stock is 600 unit, that is per kg rate of 140, total amount of 84,000, and second stock 1,000, 160 per kg, 1,60,000 total amount. Our next entry is in the date of 26th March, that is purchase of material. That means I have purchased another 300 unit, per kg rate of 180. So that will go to in the receipt column. So in the date of 26th March, I have purchased another 300 unit, per kg rate of 180. So our total amount will be 54,000. So previously stock is 600, 140 per kg, 84,000. Second stock, that is second lot, 1,000, 160 per kg, 1,60,000 total amount. And newly I have purchased another 300 per kg rate of 180, that is 300 per kg rate of 180, total amount 54,000. So present in my stock, this is the first lot, this is the second lot, this is the third lot. So in our question, next entry is issue of material in the date of 28th March. Date of 28th March 2019. Issue of material, that is 360 unit. So that will go to the issue column. Unit is 360. So this 360 unit will be issued from the first lot only, because we are solving our problem in the FIFO method. So that will go from the first lot, from the 600 unit. So amount also will be the first lot amount, that is 140 per kg. So 360 into 140, that is 50,400. So in first lot, rest of the amount is 360 unit have issued and another 240 is present, per kg rate 140. So amount is 33,600. And second stock fully present, 1000 unit 160 per kg and 1,60,000. And third stock fully present, 300 unit 180 per kg 54,000. So this is the present stock of the company. So like that we can solve all types of FIFO method problem. So friends, for today that's it.